What's better than piping hot pizza? Not much, but these cheesy garlic fingers are a real contender. We recommend our classic pizza dough recipe for this one, and you can find that at Ooni.com. It's all the basics of flour, salt, water, and yeast. You can mix them by hand or in the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. Once mixed and kneaded, leave to rest. Get those donair sauce ingredients into a small bowl and mix them together. Set aside for later. Mix the garlic and melted butter together in a small bowl. Let it sit for at least an hour to allow the flavors to meld. Preheat your oven to 930 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. And then stretch out your dough on a lightly floured surface. Don't waste any time and brush that garlic butter all over the dough, and then cover with grated mozzarella and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Check the oven temperature and turn the pizza roughly every 30 seconds until evenly baked. Retrieve your beautiful creation and garnish with more Parmesan. Oh boy, it's cheesy. Slice into equal-sized fingers, serve, and enjoy.